Hello dear students, this video lecture is the final video lecture based on this lesson education Indian and American. This is the seventh part of this discussion. We have discussed this entire lesson into 7 parts. The earlier 6 parts we have devoted for the entire lesson, and this is the concluding part of this lesson. After that we are going to finish this lesson. Education Indian and American, the title itself is very clear, because title shows that the article is based on education, and the discussion is based on the difference between the Indian educational system and American education system. We have already discussed all these things. This is the image of this theme of the lesson, that is education Indian and American. After that, this is the image of the author of this lesson, Anurag Mathur. He is a writer and journalist. He has published many articles in Indian magazines and is well known for this novel, The Inscrutable Americans. This lesson has not been written independently by Anurag Mathur. Indeed, this is the extract from this very famous novel by him, that is The Inscrutable Americans. All these things we have discussed. After that, I have told you that you should have the original textbook in your hand, at least xerox of those lessons, because this lesson, this slide which is the text of this lesson, that is nothing but the photograph of the original text. This is the final and concluding paragraph we are discussing in this video lecture. I hope that you have understood this lesson, because we covered almost every part, every portion, and we discussed line by line and word to word. That is why I hope that you have well understood this lesson. In the previous part of this lesson, that is part number 6, we discussed that after finishing his reading into the library, the chief character of this story, that is Gopal, he came out and he is enjoying the snowfall, and this is the final part where the continuation of the discussion, that the enjoyment of the snowfall has been discussed here. Nothing different is here. Only the important thing is that, as I said, that this fellow, that is Anurag Mathur, is a famous magazine writer or journalist, and his writing is very rich, and we express that this is very good as far as the vocabulary of this lesson is concerned, and this will definitely enrich you with the vocabulary. Various sort of very beautiful words. Sometimes we find that they are difficult also, but variety of the words is much in this lesson, and that is why you should go through all these words. As I said that this is the glossary. I have given the glossary of almost every part of this lesson, so that you can understand the lesson in a better way. Whenever you find any sort of difficult word, you can see the glossary for the difficult words. This is the final lesson, final part of this discussion. Let us start with this final part and the final paragraph of this lesson. Well, he dashed about. Now he stands for Gopal. We have already discussed about all these things in the previous part 6 of this discussion. He dashed about. Actually, we found that he started running and sort of dancing into the snowfall, and here it is said that he dashed about, his overcoat flapping. All these words are quite easy, but still I have given this all these words into this special slide of glossary. Flapping, a movement from side to side, फडफडणे ज्याला मराठीत आपण म्हणतो. So he dashed about, his overcoat flapping. Sucking, suck हा जो शब्द आहे, ड्रॉ इंटू द, आपण एखादा कोल्ड्रिंक वगैरे स्ट्रॉतून जेव्हा पितो त्याला आपण स्टक असं म्हणतो. सो स्टकिंग इन द इयर, असं ओट आणि वरचोट खालचोट एकत्र करून आपण एखादी गोष्ट ओढण्याचा प्रयत्न करतो. सो दॅट इज सकिंग इन द एअर. सो क्लीन अँड क्लिअर. क्लीन अँड क्लिअर हे हवेबद्दल वापरले गेलेले हे जे दोन ॲडजेक्टिव्ह आहेत, क्लीन अँड कव्हर, क्लिअर. This is really we experience these things into the country like America, or the time which was when Gopal was enjoying this snowfall. He found that the air is so clean, air is so clear that it felt like a miracle, चमत्कार ज्याला म्हणतो, मिरॅक्युलस, एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी, सुपर नॅचरल अशा प्रकारचं ते दृश्य, व्हेरी मिरॅक्युलस न्यू ड्रिंक. ॲक्च्युली दिस इज नॉट अ ड्रिंक ॲक्च्युली, बट this is a new sort of taste that he is enjoying now. And he's, as we said in the previous lecture, that he's wanted to swallow the snow, that he's trying to get it into his mouth and try to swallow it. So this is a new sort of drink, and which is a miraculous drink, he says. He snapped. Now snap is breaking suddenly. He snapped at a flake. Again, flake, we have already discussed this word into the previous video lectures, part number 6. Leaping up for it, and his teeth clicked on themselves. दातावर दात त्याचे घासायला लागले. A flake fell on his eye and stung. हे जे तुकडे आहेत त्या हिमाचे, हिमकण जे आहेत ते जिकडे तिकडे अस्ताव्यस्त पसरतात आहे. अतिशय हलके भुरभुर कापूस खाली पडावा असे पडणारे ते हिमाचे कण. A flake fell on his eye and stung. आणि कधी कधी ते डोळ्यासारख्या नाजूक भागावर पडले तर कधी कधी ते लागतात सुद्धा. ही ब्लिंक्ड. ऑब्वियसली डोळ्यावर एखादी गोष्ट पडली तर आपण लगेच डोळा ब्लिंक करतो. ही ब्लिंक ट्राईंग टू क्लिअर इट. पुसायचा, ब्रश करण्याचा प्रयत्न केला. अँड देन ही ब्रश्ड हिज स्लीव ओव्हर द आय. सगळं त्यांनी अंगावर पडणारे हिमकण बाजूला करण्याचा प्रयत्न केला. when he could see again, he saw with embarrassment. Now again embarrassment, feeling of being ashamed or uncomfortable. एखाद्या गोष्टीबद्दल uncomfortable वाटणे म्हणजे embarrassment. When he could see again, he saw with embarrassment that one of the security guards. Now in this lesson, entire lesson, this is the only character we find near Gopal. In this long discussion of the snowfall, we find this is the second character, security guard. एक बिल्डिंग आहे त्या रोडच्या जवळ, त्याच्यासमोर बसलेला एक सुरक्षा कर्मी, सिक्युरिटी गार्ड, वॉज सिटिंग नियर बाय ऑन हिज स्कूटर. तो आपल्या मोटरसायकलवर बसलेला. आणि साहजिकच अशा वेळेस त्याचं लक्ष या मुलाकडे, कारण हा मुलगा थोडासा विचित्र वागतो आहे की काय असं कदाचित त्या सिक्युरिटी गार्डच्या मनात आलं असेल. So he saw with embarrassment that one of the security guards was sitting nearby on his scooter, and he had been obviously watching him for some time. बऱ्याच वेळापासून हा जो आकाशातून खाली पडणारा बर्फ तोंडात घेऊन ते गिळंकृत करण्याचा प्रयत्न करतो आहे. this sort of enjoyment of this boy, like childish enjoyment, he is watching. Obviously what he is doing, this guy is doing, maybe security guard is thinking like that. हा मुलगा नक्की काय करतोय हा विचार त्या सिक्युरिटी गार्डच्या मनात येत असावा. अँड ही हॅज बीन वॉचिंग, ऑब्वियसली ही हॅज बीन वॉचिंग हिम फॉर सम टाइम. ही वॉज अ burly इज अ ॲडजेक्टिव्ह, अ लार्ज अँड स्ट्रॉंग. ऑब्वियसली सिक्युरिटी गार्ड असल्यामुळे तो धिप्पाड अशा प्रकारचा माणूस आहे, उंच वगैरे. ही वॉज बली, चेअरफुल, चेहऱ्याहून आनंद दिसणारा, रेड फेस्ड, अर्थात तो अमेरिकन आहे, रेड फेस्ड मॅन. अँड गोपाल वंडर अगेन, आश्चर्य वाटणे, सरप्राईज. गोपाल wondered what he made of the sight of a foreign student leaping like a deer at midnight on a lawn attacking snowflakes. This is the style of writing by Anurag Mathur. We find that many lines are quite lengthier lines, and we should try to understand those lines. तो बघतो आहे गोपालकडे आणि त्याला गोपालला आश्चर्य वाटले दॅट ही मेड ऑफ द साईट ऑफ द फॉरेन स्टुडंट. त्याच्या मनात नक्की हा विचार येत असेल की हा तर अमेरिकन वाटत नाही, हा एक अमेरिकेच्या बाहेरून कुठून तरी आलेला एक स्टुडंट असावा, फॉरेन स्टुडंट. लिपिंग लाईक अ डिअर, एखाद्या हरणीचं पिलू जसं असतं. ॲट मिडनाईट ऑन द लॉन, रात्रीची वेळ आहे आणि ते हरणाचं पिलू त्या लॉनवर खेळत आहे. अटॅकिंग स्नोफॉल्स, आणि तो स्नोफॉल अटॅक आहे एक प्रकारचा स्नोफॉल्स, स्नोफ्लेक्सचा. त्या हिमाचे जे कण आहेत ते असे भुरभुर आकाशातून पडतात आणि त्यांच्यासोबत जणू काही ॲक्च्युली अटॅक म्हणजे एक प्रकारचा खेळ. ते हरणाचं पाडस म्हणा किंवा हरिण म्हणा, रात्रीच्या मध्यरात्रीच्या वेळेस एखाद्या कुरणावर खेळत आहे, अशा पद्धतीचा खेळ हा मुलगा करतो आहे. आणि याच्याकडे मोठ्या कुतूहलाने तो पाहतो आहे. आणि असे विचार या गोपालच्या मनात या ठिकाणी आले. अँड विथ दिस डिस्कशन ऑन एज्युकेशन, Indian and American is over. Well friends, I told you that this is not very lengthier lesson, but obviously as I said that Anurag Mato is a writer into magazine, that is why his language is somewhat difficult. That is why we should understand this lesson only when we have a good vocabulary. In all these video lectures, 7 video lectures, I have given you special glossary slide. This slide contains glossary. There are number of words into this entire lesson, and when you understand these words, then only it is we can understand these lessons. Well friends, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you have been watching all these videos continuously for better understanding. With this we finish this lesson, and from the next time we will start with the rest of the portion of the syllabus. Till then, take care and bye.